Hello, I'm Nadia McLeod from RP Emery Legal Kits, and we help businesses cut their legal costs with our online template kits. Equipment rental agreements can cover almost anything. The basic principle is that if the owner of the equipment is letting someone else use it and charging a fee for it, you will need an equipment rental agreement. This is a simple yet essential document that makes sure your needs are met, particularly in terms of time, security, deposits, insurance, potential loss of value, and many other factors. Renting can be a simple, cost-effective way of using something you don't want to buy. It can be a great way to run a business or even to start a business. Either way, if you're renting to others or renting something for your own use, you need to make sure the terms of the agreement are clear and understandable. You'll be glad you did. An equipment rental agreement is generally used for short to medium term. If you want to rent the equipment for a long period of time, then the commercial equipment lease is the one for you. Both of these rental agreements are available from RP Emery. Each document is professionally drafted and includes easy-to-follow instructions so you can be confident your interests are protected. For more information on our equipment lease and rental agreement templates, follow the links below.